Students, we are just going to start the Python. Chapter number 1, getting started with Python. It was developed by Kurt von Rossum in February 1991. It is a powerful object-oriented high-level language. First of all, I would like to say that how to use and where we can use the Python. This is the language, high-profile language, high-level language we can say, and this can be used for developing some websites and this can be connected to the another servers easily. After that, you can see the designing, app development, etc. is also possible by the help of the Python. That is why we prefer the Python except of the C++, C, C Sharp, Java, etc. JPL, Java programming language, it was the good language and all programs can be short. But in this time, the Python is running away and good technology is there with the help of the Python. Good libraries are there, possibilities, sureties, good things are there in the Python. So we are just studying Python pluses. Some pluses are there like the easy to use. It is very easy to use simple syntax rules because of simple syntax rules. Do you know about the syntaxes? Syntax, it means the methods like the mathematics. You are using the formulas. These all possible by the simple syntax rules. Next is the expression language. It is more capable to expressing the code's purpose than many other languages. Like I am just giving you the differences in the two. First of this one in C++ swap value, this one, and second is possible by the in Python swap values. Second is, so we are just comparing with two. First is in C++ and second this is in the Python. So we are just comparing. In first one you can see int a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and tmp. These three things are here. These are called the variables. These are called variables. What do you mean by variables? All the variables can be defined to assign the values in it. Values cannot be empty. All values are needed something, and this is the integer type. Int type means 0 to 9. All the things from the 0 to 9 can become in it. Like this, the float values are there, float. When the float is there, it means the point values can be accepted in it. Okay, so no problem at all. We are explaining the int a equals to 2, b equals to 3, temp, tmp equals to a equals to b equals to tmp. It means we are swapping. Swapping the value means if the a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, so after the swapping, output will come 3 and 2. It means it can be interchange. It can be interchange. First v can be print and after this a can be print. In the same matter, you can see the swapping values of the in Python. Swap value a comma b equals to 2 comma 3. A comma b equals to b comma a. It means a value of a can be converted into the b and value of b can be converted into the a. So you can see the simple output in it 3 comma 2 like the C++ output. The both outputs are same because of the swapping, but the methods are different. It is easy one, easy method. You can see this is the easy method in it. Okay, Python is easier than other languages. So the next one, third point is the interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, not a compiled language. I would like to say that compilation means first of all you just compile the program. It means you have to make the program and after that to compile the program, right? During the compilation, errors can be find. We can find the errors and we can remove the errors differently. And after all, the program can be run. So Python is an interpreted language, not a compiled base, not a compiled language. It can execute the code line by line at a time. It means it can execute the code line by line. Like the example it is given line by line. It means the first line is a comma b equals to 2 comma 3. Second line is a comma b equals to b comma a. So line wise, the first line and the second line, it can be possible by the line wise. It means the errors can be find line wise. It is easier to the pupil to find the errors in it. It can execute the code line by line at a time. Okay, thank you. Next one is its completeness. So students, at the time of the Python installation, all required libraries will install automatically. It means there is no need to store the libraries or find the libraries from another way. It will automatically download in it. Next is cross platform language. It can run equally on different platforms like the Windows, Linux, Unix, smartphones, etc. Okay. Next is the free and open source. Python language is freely available. It means there is no need to pay for it. You can download in your system free and you can work freely. Variety of uses application. It can use in many fields like scripting, web applications, GUI, it means graphical user interface programs, game development, and database applications. These are some features that I am explaining. Scripting, you can create the script. In this field you can see a lot of possibilities are there and a lot of opportunities are creating in the field of the scripting. Web applications, we know about the web application. We can create the different type of web applications. The GUI based, it means based on the icon and we can click on it and we can open. All things are possible. Game development, we can create the game easily in it with the help of the Python. Database applications, we can also create the database applications like the SQL is there, structured query language, and we can connect with both the things, and the other things also we can use, that I will explain in the next class. So thank you very much. If there any doubt, you can ask anytime. Thank you.